Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video we're going to be making cinnamon banana nut bread. It's so good, you're going to love it. I've got some bananas that are super ripe and on the verge of going bad, so I figured I would make this for you guys today. So let's go over all of the ingredients and get started. Okay guys, this is everything you're going to need. It's a very simple recipe to make. It's very easy. We've got some bananas here. Now I just went ahead and just smashed them up just to save a little bit of time. And I've got those hanging out here. I've got some buttermilk, butter, I've got some eggs, vanilla, some chopped pecans. I've got some baking soda, cinnamon, and some salt. I've also got in this bowl some oats and some more pecans. I've got some flour, and in here I've got some white sugar and some brown sugar. Now you can sweeten this however sweet you like it. Since my bananas are super ripe, I used less of the sugar, so it's going to be sweet enough. So let's get everything situated and get started. Okay guys, we're going to start out with our dry ingredients. We're just going to add in our cinnamon, baking soda, and our salt right in there. We're going to give this a little whisk. Make sure everything is well combined. And we're going to set that aside. And now we are going to start on our wet ingredients here. So, got my bananas. I'm going to go ahead and mix in my sugars and just get those well combined in there, just to help break it up a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to crack in our eggs, one at a time, and mix those in there so we don't get any bits of egg that's not mixed. I love the smell of bananas. They smell so good. I think it's probably my favorite fruit besides blueberries. Okay, now we're just going to add in the rest of the ingredients, the butter and our baking soda, our buttermilk. Add that right in there. And just a little bit of vanilla. About a teaspoon right in there. I'm going to give this another little mix. Make sure everything is combined. Okay. Now we are going to add in all of our wet ingredients to our dry. And we're just going to fold this together until everything is combined. Okay, it's almost combined, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my pecans and just fold those in because I don't want them to settle to the bottom. So some of that flour will catch onto those pecans and coat them a little bit. Make sure you get the bottom. Leave no little bits of flour. Okay. Now I've got a little pan here. Now baking time is going to differ. If you have a metal pan or a glass pan, you just keep an eye on it. It should take somewhere between an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm just going to add my batter right in here. See if I can get it in there without making a mess. Okay. Got all of that in there. Now I'm just going to spread this out a little bit just to even it out so it bakes a little bit more evenly. Okay. Now I'm going to mix my pecans and my oats. And then just sprinkle this right over the top. And make a mess in the process. It's alright. We'll get it all in there. Okay. And this is just going to add a little bit of crunch on the top. You don't have to add it. You can certainly leave it off. And just bake it plain. It's really up to you. So I'm going to pop this in the oven for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. You can just take a toothpick, stick it into the center of the bread, and if it comes out clean, maybe a few crumbs, you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll see you back when it's done. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.